Power BI tutorial. In previous session, we learned what is import query mode in Power BI desktop and how we can import data from different data sources. Okay, so in today's session, we will learn how we can transform data using Power Query editor. Right. So for this, go to Home tab, and under Home tab, we have one option, Edit Queries. When you click Edit Queries, one new window will be open from name Power Query Editor. As you see here, sample file is my Power BI file name and Power BI Power Query Editor is window name, right? So in my left hand side, you will see four data sets: orders, returns, COVID-19 and countries. So today we will transform COVID-19 dataset. So just select COVID-19 dataset. See, this is my COVID-19 dataset, and here we have 9 to 10 columns. See here, firstly we will change our column name and we will assign proper column name to our dataset. So for this, just double click to column name and give proper name, say country. Okay, fine. So guys, if you noticed, when I change my country, when I change my column name, so my all changes has been tracked under applied step. See here, rename column. And if and now I want to delete unnecessary columns. Suppose I want to delete last column, so you just click and select last column. And I want to delete multiple columns, so using control key you can select multiple columns. Suppose I want to delete this one and this one, right? And now press right click and remove columns. So when I click remove columns, this action will be tracked under applied step. See, remove column. So till yet I perform two actions. One is rename column and second one is remove columns. Okay, so now I want to change my data set data types. Okay, so before this, if you see here, total recovered, as you know, total recovered is always numeric, right? But under this column I'm getting some text value and forward slash a. See, so when I change data type, it will give me error. Okay, so for this, firstly we will replace na to 0. Okay, so for this, select column and right click here. See, replace values to find where na value to find right here and forward slash a and replace with 0. Okay, so guys, if you see here in ninth number, so just click to OK. See, now 20th number na has been replaced with 0 and in ninth number na has been replaced with 0. Okay, so fine, and my this action has been tracked under applied steps. See, rename. So till yet I have performed three actions: remove rename column, remove columns and replace value. Fine, and now I want to change my data types. So guys, if you see here, before country name there is ABC icon, and before all column names you will see ABC icon. What is it, ABC icon? ABC means this is text. ABC denote to text. Okay, but you know very well, total case, new cases, total tags, new tags, all should be in numeric. Okay, so now I will change data type text to numeric. So using control key I will select multiple columns and it all should be numeric. Total recovered, active cases, seriously critical and total cases. Okay, so I select all columns, state, country, and just go to transform and click to data types and go to whole numbers. See, now all data type, all columns data types has been successfully changed to numeric. Before total case, you can see here 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 denote to numeric number, right? Fine. And country column denote to text. Okay. And my action has been tracked under applied steps, change time. Okay guys. And now suppose you want to roll back your changes, so how you can do that? So see here, suppose if you see here in first action I change my column name. See here, name column. If you want to see your previous changes, what was your previous column name, so you just go to action under applied steps and just click to cross icon. See, now I'm clicking to cross icon. And you want to delete this step, yes. See, my previous changes has been rolled back. And now again I want to change my country name, so double click to country column name and give it to proper name. Fine. Okay, so just have a look country, and if you see here word is not a country name. Okay, so how we can delete word row? So for this just click table icon, and I want to delete row from top, so remove top rows, click, and I want to delete only one because word is in top. Just click to OK. See, now top one row has been removed. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all about transformation, and here we'll learn how we can remove columns and how we can rename the columns and how we can replace particular values, particular column values, and how you can change data types. So anytime you can roll back your changes, uh, go to applied steps and remove steps to click cross icon. Okay, so thank you guys.